Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeremy with Professional Restaurant Solutions, and today we're going to talk about 10 tips for successful menu development. So tip number one is cater to your market. You already know what sells best in your restaurant, so look for innovative ways to refresh customer favorites. If you're opening a new location, research and identify your target demographic. When you know your market, you can design menus that cater to a cross-section of consumer tastes, regardless of trends that come and go. Tip number two is outserve your competition. You're going to want to stop by restaurants near your location and see what they have to offer. Pay close attention to those who are promoting dishes similar to yours. If the competition serves barbecue, for example, outserve them with smoked side dishes. If they feature craft cocktails, upgrade your bar service with table-side cart mixology. Tip number three is brainstorm with a consultant. Restaurant consultant firms are great resources for menu development guidelines. Their expertise covers everything from recipe testing and nutritional analysis to food photography and graphic design. Food service consultants can give you an unbiased perspective on favorite in-house ideas. Tip number four is reach out for recipes. The internet is ideal for recipe research with countless portals offering up every type of cuisine. Think of it as a digital buffet for sampling fresh ideas and picking up twists on traditional dishes. Sign up with online forums dedicated to the restaurant industry and get involved in creative exchanges with other professionals who understand the business. Tip number five is going to be strike a balance with variety. Balance and variety are basics in all menu development guidelines. Whether you're designing a farm-to-table or opening a steakhouse, don't let one cooking style dominate. Tip number six is stay seasonably flexible. Give your menu room to adjust to the seasons so you can offer the calendar's freshest choices from produce to seafood. Tip number seven is going to be stick with quality sourcing. Successful menu development depends on reliable supply of quality products. When you partner with established produce companies and food vendors, you're assured of year-round access to the best ingredients. That confidence lets you stretch your culinary imagination as you design new dishes. Tip number eight is do the math at least twice. It's easy to get caught up in the creative process of menu development, but don't let that focus divert your attention away from important numbers. As a restaurant professional, you understand food costs and pricing. Apply the formulas to each new dish, make adjustments as needed, and always run your numbers a second time. Tip number nine is finalizing the details with staff. Work closely with your front and back of house staff so that everyone understands the details of each dish. From prep and cook times to final plating and garnish. Stage operations as though you're running a test kitchen. Document ingredients, list measurements, and lock in the details that make a dish unique. Celebrate your finalized menu with an in-house staff tasting party, and be sure to invite your favorite customers. Tip number 10 is design your menu for your customers. When they open it up, let them feast their eyes. As they scan the selections, let them navigate with ease. The right layouts, photographs, and even fonts can elevate your restaurant menu from a printed list to a memorable experience. Consult with graphic arts professionals who make sure your restaurant's menus are designed for your customers. And that's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I am Jeremy with Professional Restaurant Solutions. If this content was helpful to you, please do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you will know every time we upload a new video. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.